আপনারা দেখছেন মিউজিক্যাল শো মিউজিক অ্যান্ড আড্ডা।
Wow, welcome back after the break. And now we have Sam with us. Hey Sam, welcome to the show. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
Really good. I was listening to some fantastic music by your mom, your sister, and now it's yourself. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm still a student. I'm currently doing my GCSEs. I'm in year 10 and I play the drums. I love music, especially I'm really passionate towards Bengali music.
Fabulous. Yeah. Let's rock it. What song are you going to sing for us?
Well, right now I'm going to sing a song called Hotat Tujone by Elita.
Wow.
Yeah.
হঠাৎ দুজনে কেন হারালাম, একলা এই পথে এসে দাঁড়ালাম, জানি এভাবে অপেক্ষায় কেটে যাবে আমার সময়, এলোমেলো হাওয়া এই মন হারায়, আধার কালো রাতে খুঁজি তোমায়, খুঁজি তোমায়, তুমি রবে আমার মনে, আমারই প্রার্থনায়, এইটুকু মনে রেখো ভালোবাসি সব সময়, তুমি রবে আমার মনে, আমারই প্রার্থনায়, এইটুকু মনে রেখো ভালোবাসি সব সময়। মনে পড়ে কি তোমার আমার, ভেবে আমি কান্নারায় একা এখানে দাঁড়িয়ে, শুধু তোমায় ভেবে যাই, এলোমেলো হাওয়া এই মন হারায়, আধার কালো রাতে খুঁজি তোমায়, খুঁজি তোমায়, তুমি রবে আমার মনে, আমারই প্রার্থনায়, এইটুকু মনে রেখো ভালোবাসি সব সময়, তুমি রবে আমার মনে, আমারই প্রার্থনায়, এইটুকু মনে রেখো ভালোবাসি সব সময়।
Well done, girl. It was absolutely
Thank
brilliant.
you.
Do you remember the first gig you ever went to in your life?
Actually I do, but first gig the chill like Ghorwa program, and I was shivering, I was so scared, I'm like I'm a shy person, but when I'm on stage I'm like the shyness just
let's
goes,
rock the world, hey?
So yeah, when I after I got on stage, I was just like so happy and rocking out.
And what is it now compared to your first, first show?
Now I'm more prepared, more experienced. I know how to handle different like whatever can happen. I know how to handle the situation.
So it's experience matter, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next track. What's the next track for us?
I'm going to sing a song called "Rolling in the Deep" by Adele.
Okay, wow. Let's hear it.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and set me out and I'll lay your ship bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the thing that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside of your head, and you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one of you, and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair, making a home down there as mine sure won't be shared. The scars of your love, they leave me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside of your head, and you played it to the beat. Could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside of your head, and you played it with a beat. Throw yourself through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasured gold. You pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow. I'm gonna wish you never have left me. The tears are gonna fall, rolling in. We could have had it all. Never have left me. Rolling in the deep. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your head. Never have left me. And you played it with a beat. Could have had it all. Never have left me. Rolling in the deep. Rolling in. You had my heart inside of your head. Never have left me. And you played it with a beat. Rolling in the deep.
Wow, absolutely fabulous.
Thank you.
I mean, I was really feeling the song when you're singing. I was like into different mood. It was
Glad.
took me to some kind of different world, to be honest with you. How do you do that? I mean, you have such a powerful voice, really nice
Thank
voice.
you. Well, at the moment, my voice is still repairing. I've been quite, my voice, it's been gone for the past 2 days. But how I do it, well, practice, practice.
So do you practice a lot with
Yeah.
your mom, your sister?
No, alone in my room,
Oh.
Just alone.
Just by yourself?
Alone.
You're a crazy kid. You're just, talking to yourself.
Yeah, you can call it that.
Yeah. If you could do something different than singing, what would it be?
What would it be? My hobbies, I love art, photography. Yeah, I'm not much of a photographer, but I like looking at photos, and art.
All in the same field, creativity.
Yeah,
and
and actually
singing.
when I'm older, I want to be an architect.
Okay.
And I do like maths and
Wow.
physics and.
Well, I hope I wish you all the best, and I
Thank
hope
you.
whatever you want to do in life, you do it. But right now, I want to hear a song with you and your sister.
Lucky you were born that far away, so we could both make fun of this. Lucky that I love her for a lamp, for the lucky fact for your existence. Baby, I'm a candy and a solely to count the freckles on your body. Never could imagine there were only similar ways to love somebody. Let oh lordy, lordy, let oh lordy, lucky or strongless like my mother. Top the cover when I need it, and these 2 eyes are for no other. The day you leave will cry a river. Lordy, 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 can't you see? I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's there to my dear. They're over, here under. You never have to wonder. We can always play by ear. And that's there to my dear. Little lolly, lolly, little lolly, lolly, think out loud, say it again. Little lolly, 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 tell me one more time that you're here, lost in my eyes. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's there to my dears. They're over, here under. You've got me head over heels. There's nothing left to hear if you really feel the way I feel.
What can I say? This was dancing. This was everything that you could ever think of. The song was beautiful.
Thank you.
And you sang it very, very nice.
Thank you.
But unfortunately, I don't really have any more time to listen to more songs from you guys, because this time I have to say goodbye. And from you guys, do you have any special messages for the viewers who's watching us right now?
You know what? Enjoy yourself. Try everything there is to try. Have fun. Yeah, have fun,
Have
Live
fun.
life a little.
Have fun. Make sure you remember this. Have fun. What about yourself? Any messages for that?
No matter how much I hate this call, I have to say, you only live once. So
We hate it, trust me, we hate it. Yeah.
Well, thank you. You guys did a fabulous job today, and thank you for coming to the show, Music and Adda. Remember this. Dear viewers, one more break. We'll be back right after the short break. Stay tuned. Stay with us.
আপনারা দেখছেন মিউজিক্যাল শো মিউজিক অ্যান্ড আড্ডা।